We're going to demonstrate how we like a belt tied at Pacific Kicks. There's two parts of the belt. There's a front and a back to the belt, and also there's a left and a right to the belt. With this belt, it's obvious with the front and the back, a solid color. You'll have rough threading on the back of the belt. The left side of the belt would have your stripes or your name. The right side with your blank or lesser stripes, or if you have a black belt, will have your organization or school on that side. So we're going to untie the belt. We're going to start on the left-hand side. So again, this would have your stripes or your name on it. Back of the belt goes against the body. You have an approximate length that you think you're going to end up with starting on the left-hand side. Take the long section of belt. We're going to wrap it around 2 times. This is the first time. Going around the back. Trying to keep the belt even over the back so it's not overlapped. Continuing around the front, and we're going to go underneath both sections of belt at this point. When we come up, before we tighten the belt up, we're going to check to make sure both ends are even. With the short side, we're going to roll the belt towards the short side slightly, grab the short side, pull a little bit more belt out, it extends it out. Once we have both sections even, you're going to adjust it to the fit that you feel comfortable with, and then we're going to take the top section of the belt, the one that's pointed upwards, we're going to point it to the right side, creating a hole. So you're going to take the bottom of the belt down through the hole. When we take the bottom of the belt, keep it flat against this part of the belt, down through the hole, pull on both sides of the belt as tight as you can. Again, double check to make sure both ends are even. Double check to make sure there's no overlap on the back. One more time, I'm going to remove the belt. Starting on the left-hand side with your stripes or your name, keep the belt flat against your body with the back side against. On the left-hand side, approximate length that you think you're going to end up with. It's not critical. We're going to go around 2 times. The first time, don't touch this part of the belt anymore. Come around the second time. We're going to go underneath both sections of belt. Coming under and out the top. Now we have one end pointed upwards, one end pointed downwards. Before we tighten the belt, we're going to double check to make sure both ends are even. Then we're going to go ahead and snug the belt up. We're going to take the top section, the one pointed upwards, point it to the right side, creating a small hole. The bottom of the belt is going to come up, keeping flat, making a square knot, down through the hole, both sections tight. Double check that the belt is even, both ends, and no overlap on the back. Thank you.